Bomb back.
Bomb back right.
Remember, healers, you can use your cooldowns in phase 1, they'll be up for phase 2 when we need it.
I'm back.
Green's closed, yellow's closed.
Slag's already on.
Fixate's only on Craig at the moment.
Let's get on that slab. Don't worry about Feldspar, he'll cleave down.
Watch out for that bomb bag, don't be near it.
Rupture underneath it. On skull, on skull. Let's get the other slag ready. Get the square over to skull, it's gonna get its shield back up.
That's Felt.
Fire colors are up.
Duh. Somebody needs to interrupt square. Awesome. Did you say fire colors were up? Yeah,
Yes.
you did.
We need another
Skull.
slag, it's not going down.
Groot, Trank. Catch us back up.
I loaded earlier, but I got another
Work
cooldown
on
I can
square.
use.
Alright, we're good. Ish. Fire colors are up.
Yep. I got him.
Get on the element.
I'll use my Trank on this blast.
Okay, we killed the slag a little too early. Plum, get to the next one. Focus square, focus square. Fire colors. Just keep focusing the slag and the skull. The fire colors will cleave.
Alright, I got Trank back now.
Next blast, use it.
All on skull. Fire colors.
Got a problem. I need to go out to range for a second.
Which one were you interrupting?
Never mind, I'm back. I stunned it. It lasted the whole time. That was awesome.
3
Everybody
in,
on square.
1 link, 1 healing tide.
Call him out as you see fit, son. I'm drinking.
All in skull. Push. Fire colors are out, Tom.
We also have ascendants.
So we pushed. Okay.
Fuck. Lisa, can you get up?
I can't taunt.
Hiding.
Okay, I got it.
Res Groot.
Blow up these cards with you.
I'm gonna go drink a.
Tom boss blade.
Got it.
Okay, don't move him. We're fine.
Range, make sure you're back here so we can drop puddles out. Drop melt out as far as you can. We're gonna need to move him a little bit.
Taunting.
Gonna need to move him again. Somebody dropped another one in melee.
I gave you Iron Bark. Oh my god. I have my trank.
Move him.
Hit it, Craig.
Country will have his too.
I got an amp for
Do it in the next block.
Taunting in 3, 2,
Amp.
1.
Thank you.
Starline, do yours in the next block.
Drink.
Random moving.
Give you Iron Bark.
I got moves.
Shatner amp.
Awesome.
Clean. Sort of.